She is known as Queen Bey to her army of devoted fans, so it's only right that Beyonce lives like royalty too. I can reveal the superstar singer splashed out on the biggest hotel suite in the capital, costing £20,000 a night, during her short visit for the London Film Festival. She and hubby Jay-Z stayed in the aptly named Royal Penthouse at the 5H Corinthia Hotel. The 5,000 square feet apartment they stayed in comes with jaw-dropping views of the city from multiple rooftop terraces, plus a private butler and spa and access to one of the world's most exclusive wine collections. An insider spilled, the suite is arguably the best in London. Everything about it screams luxury, from the marble bathroom to the spiral staircase to the roof with a giant chandelier. It is fit for a queen. The hotel is a favorite with several celebs, but the royal suite is a cut above. It even has its own lift to avoid mixing with the rest of the guests. Their trip will have cost around £100,000 for less than a week.